Finding items to dropship is actually way easier than it sounds. So if you're talking about little widgets, and you'd find them on AliExpress, you can find them on little apps that connect to your business, but everybody and your mother is selling those things. You have to go create the demand. You have to run Facebook ads or TikTok ads or Instagram ads, and please buy my little widget that's going to ship to you 4 weeks later from China in a heavily taped box and severely disappoint you. That's not what you want to do. If you want to find products to dropship, just go look for products that you've already seen out in the wilderness. Find a product you want to sell. Let's say pellet grills. Go find the brands that are selling those. Build a website so that you have something to show them when you call, and call those brands. Say, I'd love to become a retailer for your products. Doesn't it make a little bit more sense to sell a $5,000 pellet grill on which you make $1,500 versus a $50 piece of shit from AliExpress that you make $5 on and really disappoint your customer, and you have no asset value? You can't sell this business. You can sell a high ticket dropshipping business, and I would recommend that's where you start. Go find the brands and products that you've definitely heard of that people are already searching for, and sell that. And if you're ready to start your own high ticket dropshipping business, head to dropshipbreakthru.com/go, where you can watch a free training showing you exactly how to build a high ticket dropshipping business.